girl Booya and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to do a basic balisong opening trick. The trick that I'm going to show you guys is super basic, but you need to familiarize yourself with the parts of the balisong first so that it is easier and faster for you to follow. This is what the balisong knife looks like when it's open. So yung balisong knife, meron yung dalawang handles. One is called the bite handle and one is called the safe handle. So yung bite handle, you'll know the bite handle siya kasi meron siyang safety pin. And it's called the bite handle because yung blade is nandito. Holding the bite handle is not strictly a no-no. You can still do tricks with it, but for precautions lang, for beginners, please don't do it yet if you're not confident because you might get cut. So please don't hold it yet. This handle, this is what you call the safe handle. Why is it called the safe handle? Because on this side of the knife, wala yung blade dyan. Pag nababangga yung knife sa fingers nyo, hindi makakat kasi walang blade. Hindi siya sharp side. So, it's safe when you're doing the tricks. See? Hindi nakakat yung kamay ko. Now that you familiarize yourself with the parts of the balisong, you are now ready to do the trick. So this is what the vertical opening looks like. Yan yung vertical opening, and this is how you close it. Okay? Vertical opening, vertical closing. So when doing this trick, you have to hold the safe handle. And when I hold the safe handle, I always hold my hand like this. Hindi ganyan because it prevents the knife from opening, but just like this. Don't block it with your fingers. Let it be free to move and do the tricks. Practice doing like that. Let the bite handle be free to do the opening. And I'm actually just letting my thumb and my point finger do the holding of the safe handle. So now that you're in a good holding position, the first thing that you want to do for this vertical opening is to flick the bite handle at the top of your hand, okay? And flick. Flick it like that. And what you want to do next is flick the bite handle again on this side of your hand, on your fingers naman. So, flick it. There, see? So this is what I've been talking about, the safe handle and the safe side of the blade. When you do like that, your fingers won't get cut. And the last thing you want to do to open this is to flick it like that. Okay? So now you have an open knife. Note the placement of my fingers. Nasa gilid lang siya ng handle. It's not clasping like that. If you clasp your fingers like that, look what's gonna happen. It's gonna block the knife from really opening. So what you want to do is, again, just keep your fingers on the side so there's an opening here for the bite handle to be in. So again, go to the holding position and then flick the bite handle at the top of your hand and then flick the safe side of the knife to the four fingers and then flick it to open. There you go, okay? Now, let's do the vertical closing of the butterfly knife. First, you want to flick the safe side of the knife to the top of your hand, okay? Flick it like that. And then flick the bite handle to the four fingers, okay? We're gonna flick it like that. And then again, leave this open so that you can close this. You can do it fast. And just keep on doing this every day kasi magiging part na yan ng muscle memory nyo. So if you're a beginner watching this, please do not buy the real balisong knife. I highly discourage you guys to buy the real ones yet because I don't want to get yourselves cut, okay? If you really want to practice, you can get yourself a trainer. Yan, so this is what a balisong trainer looks like. Actually, it's broken na. Madali siyang masira, guys, but for training purposes, for practice, okay lang siya. And I have another one. This is from my friends. This is my friend's balikong. We call this the balikong. But anyway, do not play with balisong knives muna. Okay? Play with trainers. You're gonna be super safe kasi walang sharp edges. If you're wondering where I got my balisong trainers and my balisong knife, I got them from Makati Square. Okay? May hobby store dyan. Madaming hobby store sa Makati Square. Pero yung binilhan ko, nasa second floor ng Makati Square na hobby shop. I've seen other trainers na ganito yung quality, ganito yung itsura, but yung cost niya is like 300 plus to 600 plus. Please do not buy that kasi actually napaka-cheap ng quality na to. So get yourself that 195 pesos I've been talking to you about. Yan yung bilhin nyo para hindi kayo ma-rip off, okay? Mura lang to siya, guys. Don't buy yung mga 600 plus na trainers kasi same quality lang siya. Except for mga branded na trainers, ha. That's a whole different thing. These ones, hindi to siya branded. Actually, these are just China-made. And madali siya masira. Tingnan nyo, guys. Hindi na even yung handle niya. Tapos when you do tricks, napaka-sloppy. And actually, guys, na-unscrew na siya. Kahit yung fake blade na to, na-unscrew siya. So, how much more yung cheap na real knife, okay? It's super dangerous. You might get cut not only sa fingers mo, sa hands mo, but also your face kasi it might fly all over the place. So, guys, just to be safe, do not buy the cheap knives, okay? And especially if you feel that loose na yung screw, my goodness, do not. Please do use the trainers muna until you're confident enough to use the real knives, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this entertaining, helpful in any way, please do like this video, subscribe to my channel, and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, if you have any more comments or suggestions, then please do enter them down below. Just remember, no hate, just love.